Hey everyone, I changed my hair. Look at it. So I have an abundance of time, as most people right now, and I decided to do some mini twists in my hair, which I don't do often. But you know, it's a good way to get out of doing my hair. So for these twists, I blow dried my hair. I blow dried my hair first, which is something different I don't usually do, and I'm gonna talk about that as I'm styling, but I blow dried my hair first, trimmed it, and then twisted it. So these are my final results. I like how it turned out. And I think I do prefer blow drying my hair first and then twisting it. So I'm gonna try and insert a picture somewhere of my twist that I did last time that I did on damp hair. So the thing I like about twists on my blow dried hair, obviously they're more elongated, so I kind of look like I got a bit length. I feel like there's more that I can do, although my hair technically is the exact same length it always was. I just feel like, you know, I can put it half up, half down, and it looks kind of cute. I could put it in a ponytail and that'll be okay. One thing that I prefer about doing my twists on damp hair was that the ends curled up so perfectly. So because it was wet, it was like a perfect coil, whereas my ends now, they're like kind of coiled because I went back and tried to coil a few of them, but some of them are just kind of like, you know, because I blow dried it, so that's to be expected. Anyway, mini twists are really easy, but yeah, I like it. They feel good. They look pretty good. You know, I might just leave them forever and then I'll have some locks, but who knows? Only time will tell. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. And I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but I think at this point, you're gonna actually see me do my hair. So let's watch me do my hair. All right, so I am starting on blow dried hair. So when I was blow drying my hair, I added a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant. So my hair is semi-moisturized already, and I like to work in sections. So as you can see, I'm sectioning off the front and I'm gonna start in the back. Now, since I did blow dry my hair, I'm not gonna be too heavy-handed with the product. So I'm using a butter for some extra moisture, especially on the ends. And I'm also going to be using a gel, and that will help hold the twist longer. And these are the exact same products I used on my twists last time, and I liked how they turned out, so I used it again. For me, one of the most challenging things about mini twists is just kind of figuring out the right size for the twist. Now, in this case, I did a twist, but it was way too small, so I had to go back and do it again. But you want to make sure that the twists are the right size for you, because I found in the past, if I do them too small, when it comes time to take them down, it's such a hassle and I get a lot more knots. So kind of go for an in-between size. You're simply twisting the hair, and once you get to the end, that's when you're going to coil it so it holds the twist in place longer, and I add a little bit more gel towards the ends. Okay, and I'll show you again how I'm doing the twist. So same idea for each one. You're adding a bit of product, not too much. You split the hair in half, twist the hair down towards the end, and at the very bottom, you're going to coil the hair around your finger. And here are my twists once they're all done. So in total, I have 83 mini twists on my head. Yes, I counted. And I generally leave a style like this in for about 2 or 3 weeks. I just make sure to moisturize my scalp and the ends every few days so it doesn't get dry. Yeah, that's it. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching.